baked camembert. Get a camembert, ram it full of garlic, thyme. Well, that's it really. Like a mug, I took the top off it, so I'm gonna have to mimic the baking process now. So wrapping it in foil. 20 minutes in the oven, 180 degrees. Bloody Halloween decorations. Alright, I got some old crusty bread. I'm gonna turn into some beautiful crisp dipping chunks. I'm gonna leave them there. I've also got some crusts off the bread. I won't throw anything. A good dousing of olive oil. In that I'm gonna throw some garlic powder and some oregano. And then this stuff. This stuff, it's called Maldon salt, and it's so delicious, you can even eat it off your hand, it's so delicious. I'm gonna put them in the oven with the cheese. Okay, so if you check the bread out, I just got a smoking pan, no oil, and all we're really doing is just toasting these bits of bread, and you want those little char ends. They're gonna make beautiful croutons. Okay, the camembert is done. I got a beautiful glass of port, the bread. Oh, worked out fantastic. I got the toasted bread, the olive oil bread. I'm gonna put just a little bit of honey on that. I'm just gonna have a taste of that. Oh. Hang on, very beautiful.